DA rejects this tariff increase by NERSA. We reject stage 6 load shedding.
Iqembu le-DA lithi liyacitsa lokuniketwa kwe-Eskom imvume yokuthi intsengo ya-gesi.
Sibophe abasolwa nababili mayelana nesidlangano sokubulala ukhansela nebangani bakhe nababili.
Sadolobha phambili nomasipala weMkhondo Vusi Motha usesitokisini njengoba sikhuluma ngekubulawa kwelikhansela le-ANC isibonelo njengase nalabanye nababili. Kaba kuhle kuhlangana endzabeni teswati la ke-SABC1 na ku-DTT yake sibukele thambe imbili lomuhla.
I-SABC News iyokwethulela i-channel entsha yendaba zamalimi wesintu ngo-2023.
African News Channel ka-DTT itakweshela mahungu hi ririmi ra wena.
Ngakho-ke zithole ngesiZulu,
ngesixhosa, limi la Setswana,
Afrikaans,
Xitsonga,
kaSepedi, kaSesotho,
ngaTshivenda,
Ndasebele Swati
nesiNdebele.
Ndinefana ka SABC shimaka mutingati uitela uwadisela mafungo ngalwambo lwa damuni.
amahora angamashumi 24 nsuku zonke. Khumbula futhi ngolimi lwakho.
Liqembu le-DA lithi liyacitsa lokuniketwa kwe-Eskom imvume yokuthi yenyuse intsengo ya-gesi. Le mvume iniketwe ngumlawuli wetemandla kuleli evikini lelengcile. Umholi we-DA Sehlile uthi leli qembu litawufaka isicelo enkantolo kumisa kuqala kwalokusebenta kwale ntsengo lokwenyuswe ngayo nga-18.65%. Sehlile uthi uhulumende wakuleli so ubayekelele isikhathi lesidze abantu bakuleli kanti-ke sengeke kusavunyelwa ukuthi kuchubeke lokho.
Isombulukile inamba ke ngoku i-DA iza kuxoxelwa iinkundla zamatyala ngelizama ukuthintela lo chatha we-18.65% kumbane othe wanikwa u-Eskom ngaba kwa-NERSA. Esi sigqibo se-NERSA sibangele isankxo kweli lizwe abaninzi kwezoshishino nabantu ngokubanzi abaxhomekeke ku-Eskom uba bafumane umbane beza kuluva nokulwamvila. Inkokheli ye-DA uJohn Steenhuisen uthi lixesha lobana kungenwe esitalatweni ngoku kulungiswe le ngxaki.
The DA rejects this tariff increase by NERSA. We reject stage 6 load shedding. And we reject government's poor response, or rather their complete lack of response, to the biggest crisis our country has faced in the history of our democracy. We have therefore instructed our lawyers to apply to the High Court of South Africa for the interdict against the implementation of the increase, pending the following relief. Firstly, to have NERSA's decision of the 12th of January 2023 declared inconsistent with the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, to have it declared invalid, and to have it set aside.
uSteenhuisen umemelele kubemi boMzantsi Afrika kobana mabaphakamise ingalo ngoku babajoyine xa bezabe beqhankqalaza phambi kweofisi ze-ANC kwiveki ezayo ngelikhalazela uqhawuqhawuka kombane. Ndingu-Abongile Dumako kwindaba ze-SABC eGauteng.
Sisakuthi e-Eskom sikhuluma nasolwathi utamandla akhulise mulishi kunaba kabantu kuletsaba. Asibingelele umulishi e-Eskom kule ndzabeni teswati la ku-SABC.
Asibingelele ku-SABC nababukeli.
Sibonga kakhulu. Tindzaba kahle kahle ngabe yini inkinga sekugeta ikhungo tekuphehla gesi noma kukhona singakwati la nje ubona ukukhumbula ukuthi sike sabona kwakhiwa ikhungo imiduphi nekusile ekuthene kusitanywa ukuthi kubukwe indzaba ukuthi igesi ukhona eveni. Kepha ungathi kude emngcele lokho ngabe yini imbangela lokho?
Imbangela yenkinga yewe izakhiwe le emeduphi nekusile. Kodwa inkinga ukuthi asisasebenzi kahle even though zintsha sisasezintsha. Sisanenkinga yokusebenza kangangokuba u-Eskom manje kufanele asebenzele yesigesi asebenzise i-diesel leyo edurayo costa kakhulu umnotho.
Nayike indzaba leseyikhona lana ukuthi sivile ukuthi evile liphekile umlawuli wetemandla unikete imvume Eskom ukuthi ikhuphule intsengo ya-gesi. Abantu bakhala ukuthi kude nalo gesi lokhushulwako. Ngabe ukubona ukuthi nyathelo lesikahle leso sendiwe yiNERSA.
UNERSA wenza into ehamba ngokomthetho. Umthetho uthi u-Eskom le mali ayisebenzisileyo ukuze akhuphe umbane fanele ke ayibuyiselwe. So u-Eskom uyabhale athi ukuthi sebenzise nokunga ngisebenze kwi-diesel ngakusebenzisa kwi-coal ngakusebenzisa ezikuthiwa independent power producers ngasebenza kuzo zonke lezi ndleko lezi ngoko fanele ngibuyiselwe kodwa ke uNelsa ubonile ukuthi iningi kakhulu le mali bayibizayo wayehlisa from 32% wayezisa ku 18.65%.
Siboneke sivile ngandlebeni ukuthi wangathi ilo i-Eskom sitawusuka kusonga ngaphansi kwelitiko letemabhizinisi ahulumende lifaka ngaphansi kwelitiko lemandla ngaphansi kweminister Gwede Mantashe. Ngabe lokho kutawenda muphi umehluko ngakubona kwakho?
Umahluko if uzokwenzeka uzothatha isikhathi ngoba lapha kwi-Department of Minerals and Energy siningi imilawo imithetho kufuneka yenzekile phambi ngoba kuyenzeke lento and ayizokwenza umehluko kakhulu kwangoku okwamanje in terms of okwamanje ayizokwenza umahluko kakhulu ngekwe load shedding.
Okay, nansi ke indzaba ukuthi ke sesivala nje ukuthi yini into lengendiwa kusombulula inkinga yegesi kelive ngakubona kwakho?
Eyokuqala ayenzayo uhulumeni phansi kwe-National Treasury ukuthi babhatale ityala u-Eskom alikolotayo elingange-398 billion bazobhatala ingxenye yelityala ukuthi lihle ukuze Eskom abekwazi ukwazi nemali yokuthi asebenzise le mali ukulungisa inkinga zayo ngoba imali eningi ayifumana i-Eskom nayifumana kuhulumeni iya ekubhataleni lelityala lelikhulu kakhulu. So uhulumende mangalisusa linganceda kusukela apho balungise lezi coal plants ezingasebenzi kahle basebenzise imali ukuzilungisa ziningi kodwa ezinye inkinga abasenazo kusafuneka bazilungisile ezinye zihamba nomthetho ezinye zihamba nalapha e-Eskom indlela abasebenza ngayo njengosazi ukuthi umphathi wase-Eskom uyahamba uphela kamachi umphathi ophethe lezi plant zonke nayo uyaretirisha ngo-April and bakhona nabanye abangekhoyo so ziningi ingafuneka ezilungisiwe kuze sibe kanti sibone umahluko.
Sibakhulu Mlisha.
Siyabonga.
Loyo ke ngihuse Mlishi lo sati ke kutoke temandla. Mbukele ke sibutele ukuthi wenda njani ukuthi uphile ngesikhathi ucinywa gesi umuntu uphendule kanjena.
Info lengiyendako ngokuhamba kwagezi nangabe ngathi ukuthi uhamba ngesikhathi lesithide ngilungisa konke lokumele ukuthi ngukwende.
Hawu ngiko kujwayela isimo lesihlangabetana naso eNingizimu Afrika. Sithotha tona tinkuni sendele ukuthi nakwendekile kwahamba gezi kungakaphekwa stokhona kupheka phasi.
Bunzima kakhulu akwenzeki lutho uyabonje kumanje angisenzi lutho ngidlela ugesi usuhambile angikwazi ukusebenza ugesi ungekho kunezinto eziningi ezizalele emuva okudinga ukuthi ngizenze kodwa ke ngokuthi ugesi usewuthathile phela u-Eskom umnikazi wawo asakwazi kwenza lutho.
Impela siboyile phansi kumakhandlela ngoba namalayithi lawa asebenza amabhetri azephela ugesi uhamba boma 6 hours ukuze kuphele namabhetri. Hawu ukudla impela vele shaye kona okubandayo siphila ngesinkwa siphila ngamanzi yonke lento la ikuyabheda ayikho lento le.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli SABC ete yathweswa ukuthi phendulela ngawo. Iqembu le-I-EFF lifaka amaphepha enkantolo yomthethosisekelo kuphikisa imitamo yemengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ekubeketa nekubeka eceleni umbiko welithimba lebeliphenya ngelizaba le-we-Phalaphala. Lo mbiko wavela iphungu lebehlaba mengameli enyitato ukuthi kwendeka ukuthi mengameli liqale kufanele atiphendulele kulo. Kepha ke iParliament yavotela ukuthi ungemukelwa lo mbiko.
I-EFF seyifake isicelo enkantolo yomthethosisekelo kude imukelwe njengenhlangano lengenelelako kulesicelo samengameli sekufuna ukucithwe lo mbiko we-section 89. Lenhlangano ithi lena imitamo yamengameli yekungafuni ukuthi iphendulela. Stathi lemthetho mpumelelo zikelela uthi Malema uqinisile.
So Mr. Malema is quite correct in terms of saying Parliament is being taken on review. You can't separate the two. The people that drafted the report and the people that took a decision whether to follow it or not when you take that particular report on review. So it's part and parcel of all those processes that are there.
Zikala uphinze wathi uma nanoma Ramaphosa angaphumela ekutheni ulahlwe ngelifasti lombiko kepha angeke kuvimbele iParliament ukuthi iqhubeke nekuphenya loludzaba lwe-Phalaphala.
There's nothing stopping Parliament from saying, okay, we're not going to rely on any report. We're simply going to rely on how the members of Parliament are going to vote. And if they vote in terms of their conscience and rationality, anyone can then be able to see that an investigation must be done in this particular matter.
Lilanga lekulalelwa kwaloludzaba lisetawubekwa inkantolo yomthethosisekelo.
Sodolobha phambili nomasipala waseMkhondo Vusi Motha uboshiwe kanzike kutawucitsa ubusuku bakhe besibili esitokisini ngekubulawa kwelikhansela le-ANC sibonele njangasi nalabanye lababili. Motha uboshwe nasifiso sangweni ngetfolakala banetibhamu netinhlavu letingekho emthethweni itolo. Labo lababili bavela enkantolo manje Pitritif kanzike bagcinwe esitokisini. Sibonele njangasi nalabanye ababili kuthiwa badutshulwa babulawa ngamadodza lamathathu lebekade ahlombe ngetibhamu ngaleSihlanu ebusuku.
Sehlile maphapho kulandzela kuphuma kwemininingwane lemisha leholele kuboshweni kwebasola lababili lokusolakala ukuthi banesandla kulokubulawa kwasibonelo Ntshangase nalabanye lababili imindeni yabo ifuna bulungiswa.
We are saddened by the passing of Sibonelo. He was young and had children to take care of. I hope the people that killed him could be punished because we were in so much pain.
Itolo kuboshwe Lobekangusodolobha masipala weMkhondo Vusi Motha nasifiso sangweni bavela enkantolo yamanje wePitritif.
Sibophe abasola lababili mayelana nesenhlangano sokubulala ukhansela nebangani bakhe lababili ngaloSihlanu lo ndlulile uJenene Manamela wenza isiqinisekiso ukuthi kuba netimba lemaphoyisa liphenya lecala.
Emaphoyisa aphinzelita ngemibuto labanye basolwa lababili bagcinwe esitokisini boMotha nasangweni kanzi lelicala litawubuyela enkantolo mhlati nge-24 kulenyanga lesedulu.
Sehlile linani letingoti etihambele emphefumulo emgwaqweni kuleli kulomnyaka timali losetulu. Labo labophangelele behle nga-13.9 wema%.
Tehle ngama-percent la-11 tingoti temgwaco leto ke tindzaba letimnanzi 87% tingoti solo ubangwa ngemaphutsa ebashayeli.
This is a 13.9% reduction compared to 1,680 fatalities in the previous year. There is a reduction of 13.9%. 1,000 people dead on the road. Just the number is too much.
Imitamo yekwehlisa linani letingoti kulomnyaka timali losetulu isebentile kuphangalele bantfu labangu 1451 emigwacweni yakuleli. Le nombolo ikhombisa ukuthi behle ngala ngu234 tingoti tona tehle ngaleti ngu84. Ngalesikhathi tonke tifundza tehlisa kushona kwebantfu emigwacweni iGauteng ikwenyuse kwasuka ku275 kwaya ku290.
I think we should channel our campaigns and educative campaigns towards that. You'll realize that we are always focusing on motorists, and it happened in townships, and I think we should take it there and working closely with our metro police departments who will make sure that we create awareness around pedestrians themselves and communities themselves.
Esifundeni saseGauteng naseshonalanga Kapa sibalo salabaphangalele bahamba ngetinyawo singekutulu kwahafu elinani lalabo labaphangalele. Kusolwa kunatfwa kwetshwala ngalokwecile ukuthi kuyimbangela yaletingoti.
The Justice System Minister is also still not assisting us because through the Operation Ukai Malao, there's quite a lot of your breathalyzers that actually do take place. And we even know the times that they go and get drunk. Now we Saturday, after tears. Get into the car, we are driving the car. These are some of the tendencies that we need to start educating our people that yes, go to a funeral, the car.
Mbalula usemaloli netimoto letinkulu tihlala tibakhatsata kanzike leloli leyabhoma eBoxburg iyodwa nje seyivele ithethe imiphefumulo lengemashumi 4.
Ndilungu laseGauteng bhajaza lesufo elibitho lekuthi akwehle imoya kulandzela imbhikisho nelidlame lecubuke enkabeni yelidolobha laseJozi itolo. Dakambe lihlala emaflethini esitaradini inugget titse amaphoyisa lebekade asesha tsakamiva ngetinsatsakusa tibulele sakhamuti lesingenacala. Titse amaphoyisa ashaya umufi amsola ngakuthi ufihla titsakamiva. Kulapho ke tingedelelo umbhikisho hlasela amaphoyisa atshane timoto tawo ngematshe. Simo sesitindile emva ukuthi amaphoyisa ahlakade lababhikishi.
Umbhikisho lebengakalindeleke enkhabeni yelidolobha umisele lidolobha nsi. Takhamuti letihlala etindlini temcashe edolobheni titheleke ngenkhani titfukuthele tiganela unwabu tahlasela amaphoyisa taphinze tavala imigwaco. Tisole amaphoyisa ngekubulala indvodza leneminyaka lengemashumi 28 wekuchamuka eTanzania Omari Hamisi ngemva kokucutshungulwa kwetidzakamiva lobekwendiwa ngemaphoyisa.
When he dies, my brother, you understand, I'm still with him. So the police, the way he's speaking with us, it wasn't good.
Takhamuti tisashaqekile.
As a resident of this place, 200 commissioner, we are worried because there are a lot of things that are going on. We are not happy. We've got kids. There's a drug syndicates that are going on and everything.
We need the mayor to come on board. Johannesburg is rotten. This is not about political whatever.
Kulokukhuculula emaphoyisa atholela inani lemali lelingakadzalulwa kanye netidzakamiva. Bathi kunemsola lotame kubakhomba ligumbi lapho kugcinwe khona tidzakamiva kepha washonela etitebhisini. I-IPT ithi tawuphenya kabanti.
From us as the police, we called the IPT and we called even the pathologist so that we can ensure that everything that is done here is transparent. We are not hiding anything.
Kubita dokotela loqinisekise kushona kwalendvodza kanti imbangela yakhona itawutfolakala uma kwendiwa luhlolo lembangela yekufa ngalesithathu. Kuboshwe babhikishi labalishumi nakuthathu ngekususa lothuthuva.
Sengenela ngalesithathu kufuna kwengele kuthiwa yecenzweni lehlala kuyo. Kulomkhankaso sengene ngisho leliphiko lemaphoyisa. Lengwe leyecela lapho beyigcine khona ukhavileni ingizwe le-Jozi ngile kuthiwa ihlasele indvodza thite ebulala inja nalesinye isilwane sasendle. Itolo ebusuku lengwe kuthiwa ibonakala eduze nemthombo wemanti ewokhaveli.
Lendzawo legcwele tihlahla netjani yenda kube madima kutfola lengwe. Kepha lithimba lelifunako linelithemba lekuthi litawutfolakala masinyane. Kusangakacaci-ke ukuthi umnikati unato yini timphepha letimvumela ukuthi ayifuye.
Discovered our trackers on the ground have discovered fish paw prints on the ridge above us to my right again, which shows that she is in the vicinity.
Inhlangano lebukene nemalungelo etilwane ithi siyakhula sibalo setilwane letingakajwayeleki letitfunjiwe noma letifuywe ngenhloso yekwenta inzuzo.
And cases such as these really highlight the need for government to take action in South Africa.
Tiphathimandla ticwayisa umphakathi ukuthi ungasonzeli kulesilwane kepha ushayele emaphoyisa licingo ku 086 00 10 111.
Etibake Telrand lahlekile ngamandla licathaniswa netimali takulamanye amave. Sitibeka lapho talamuhla sibetono sikhona simo sethu kanzi kusasa khona ngesindebele khona la ngesikhathi lesifanako. Bakhohlwa ku SABC tawuthola i-channel lensha ukuthi thina lapho khona uthola Tindzaba ngolimi lwethu ngekuhlukana kwetinhlanga emahorela ka-24 nakune ngelanga. Usale kahle.